Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. Let's begin. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down and click Windows Update from the left-hand side. Next, click Advanced Options, then select Optional Updates. Here, you'll see a list of available driver updates. Select the drivers you want to update and click Download and Install. Another way is through Device Manager. To open it, right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, find the device you want to update, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. Then, click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check online for the latest driver and install it if available. If Windows doesn't find one, you can also download the latest drivers directly from your device manufacturer's official website. And that's it. You've successfully updated drivers in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.